Quick get ready with me for the airport. Love the nauticals because it adds a little bit of zhuzh, but it can layer really easily. So it's chic, but practical. Note to self, always do your hair after you put on your t-shirt. Should we do a side thingy? Why not? Green gauze skirt. Okay, this proportion works really well because you've got a wide shoulder and then a wide bottom with a narrow bit in the middle. So it kind of gives you a fake hourglass look. A little pop of pink, primarily because it's the only sandals I brought. These delicious green babies for bookends. Pull in a little more pink, yes. So I purposefully only brought one pair of earrings and they were the green ones so that it ties into a whole bunch of other things that are now in the suitcases, but whatever, you get the idea. Same with the bangles. I just chose like one color to marry, and that makes things just easy and concise when you travel. Sometimes it's positively hypothermic in the cabins. Therefore, my canvas drop crotch are going to be in my carry-ons. My new favorite shades, oh my. I got them on Etsy and I had them put script in it. Little lilac to pull it all together, yes? And finalement, the jean jacket so that I don't freeze on the plane. Have a good day.